Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to password protect a PDF in Adobe Acrobat Pro. So let's get straight into it. First, open your document in Adobe, then click on all tools. Here on the left you will see a menu bar, and scroll down and select protect PDF from the available tool set. So let's find this protect PDF. Okay, so that we don't search too long, we can type in Control F or CMDF and then type in protect uh, with password like that. Tools, you will see encrypt protected a PDF, just like that. And you will see here protect with a password, like so. Now this window will pop up. You can select viewing editing. So viewing, users must type a password just to open and read the file, and editing is that users can read the file but need a password to edit, print or copy text. Now type your chosen password into the text box, then retype it to confirm. So just like that, and we go like so. So remember, you will need at least uh, six letters here that this will work. And when you are ready with that, just click here apply, and just like that you have created yourself basically a password for this document. So let's try to open up. Okay, so I need to close it now and reopen it. And just like that, you will see here. Okay, it didn't go through yet. So, okay, first you also need to save this. So yeah, when you set the password, protect. So let's do it again. Protect with password. So you need to save it and then it will work as it should. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.